Now, as you can see, the all of these are biggins. These are peppers. More peppers. Everybody's ready for water today. I did not water early this morning. I should have. Look at that. 111. 20%, no, 10% humidity. Summer's here. Summer has made an appearance. Now it's time to begin to water everybody. I have not worked out an absolute going to do it this way every day system, but what's happening more than not is trying to make sure that I get enough water in here every day to make these guys happy. The new watering system will go in once I have the all of the stands in place, the benches that these plants are going to stand up on. And then, there you go. Then we'll see. We should be able to turn the water on. All of these in here are going to have a 3 gallon per hour spot splitters, what they're called. And that way they should be able to get all the water they need within half an hour, 40 minutes, something like that. Hang on a minute, I need to stop this. Like I say, this is beans, peppers, more peppers. We have a lot of peppers. This is squash, more squash, broccoli. This is a determinate tomato. I've forgotten exactly what variety it is, but somewhere around here I have a little tag for it. And there's another squash. 2 more indeterminate tomatoes. Actually, there's another indeterminate, and another, and another. 3 more up here. There's a lot of indeterminates for, you know. That's what I actually planted and grew from seed. I have got some more. Not sure if those are cucumbers there. So there's cucumbers there. There's cucumbers in the corner over there. That one over there is making cucumbers already. Everybody's healthy and happy so far. But we're going to move this line here. Everything that climbs is going over on the back wall over here so that we can string them from there on that shelf. It's part of what I intended to do. And I'm using a little of it for storage for stuff too at the moment. But anyway. And then we're putting another shelf on this side over here. And I'm not sure yet exactly what's going to happen on that shelf. That shelf may end up being the one that's holding all of this miscellaneous stuff. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. But we have our gardenia in here. That's another thing bugs don't like. But I'm going to have to prune him because I just about used that first issue up. So, now, it'll be back to growing new flowers. And it's already starting to do that. Those are kind of pretty. I like those. This is my wife's idea. About 50% of the time, when I tell you that I had an idea, it's actually my wife. I didn't usually say that sooner because, you know, how that works. That'll get me into more trouble than not. Anyway, here's another thing. If we ran this line up here, and right there is the misting system. And every one of them nozzles is plugged up, but that's last year's. So we're gonna put the new ones in, but not today, because we are tired already. This heat just saps your strength. At my age, it didn't start out with that much. Over here, I had to make a change. Most of these that you see here are let's see, yeah, that's right. These black ones here, these are spot spitters, that's what they're called. And they spray just right. They very rarely do they ever plug up. And if they do, you just pull them off, pull the hose off, and put it right back on again, and it's all clear. So that's that part done. Now I'm getting out of the sun because I don't like it. Yeah, why you live in the desert if you don't like the sun? Because I like the desert. The sun is just kind of a byproduct. These are goji berries. They're supposed to have all kinds of medicinal uses and like that. Good for your eyes, good for all sorts of things, they tell me. Those plants have been growing out here with whatever water they could find for years. And finally I went in and gave them our own water supply. This tree here is, this one is the baby of this one here. And I was going to take it out, and then I decided if I let it grow up, it'll shade even more of my greenhouse during the hottest part of the day. So that's how it's going to be. Anyway, we're having scorpions this year, so we're having to be kind of careful where we put our feet. These swimming pools are going to be, they're not deep enough for carrots or onions. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there, but we'll put something in it. And we still got 2 or 3 more trays that we can fill up, but we're running out of places to put them. So they're going to have to be outside. Maybe I'll just put them under the tree here. Anyhow, this magnetic door thing is pretty slick. I mean, it's got an issue or two, but not much. But it closes right behind you. It's not going to keep out very much. But the truth of the matter is, it doesn't have to.